Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learned alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Red color, blue color, green color, yellow color, black color, brown color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. The alphabets of A, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now it is C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, now draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids, now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I, and use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. Kids, now draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K, and use brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids, now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids, now draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q and use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R. Kids now draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U and use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids now draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W and use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids now draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y and use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and lastly draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Kids, today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for x-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.